So this was a bit of an interesting one. This is HEX1GON's, well, former Xbox. It's got nice LEDs in here, which makes it a little bit confusing when the light wants to blink different colours. It just blinks green. Turns out there was something not quite right with either the CD drive or the hard drive. So I went and put mine in, because this mainboard actually has the original clock capacitor from what I can tell, which should be impossible because they tend to leak really badly, and it hasn't yet, so I'm going to rip that off the board in a few moments. Might do a video on it. But this works, so it's running fine. So I'm just going to burn it in for a while, and if this one works okay, I'd rather keep the board that doesn't have little corroded capacitors all over it, which is my one, unfortunately. But now this is my one, so I'll keep this one running. This will be my Xbox of, I guess my spare Xbox. Oh crap, I've still got 3 Xboxes. Even if I get rid of one, I still have so many. Yeah, I'll have to work it out. Maybe this can actually get used on the TV in the front room or something. Oh, only half the light there's lit up, but that's fine. I'm not terribly fussy. But yeah, mainboard with a non-leaked clock cap. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And I'll just give it a reboot. So the CD drive's from my old one. Executed 2. Bloom, 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 bloom. You know the drill. Rocks my box. And we're displaying in beautiful component today. Oh, it's so nice. Look how clear that is. So this Xbox is also a 1.1. So there you go. That's a nice easy way to find out. So now I know. Very cool, very cool. So that's functional again. That's good news. So I could actually probably fix up the other Xbox, but given that I'd rather steal the power supply out of it and stick it into the Kasumi Xbox, I think I'll be doing that. And then make sure the Kasumi works as well as it can, and then dispose of the spares, unfortunately, the spare parts, because they're too heavy to ship anywhere and no one wants them. Unfortunate. Although I do have another one of these sort of setups for the Kasumi in time when I do the TSOP mod again. It's been a long time. We'll see if I can do it a bit quicker than the last time I did. Whoa! 3-dimensional. Thanks for watching. A clock cap that hasn't leaked after more than 10 years? Incredible. Just watch the Xbox burst into flames while I'm recording this. Nope, looks like we're good.